It's Joe Wather with Remax Advantage Realty. I'm over here at Kupcake and Company right in Elkridge, and I'm going to introduce you to the owner, Michelle Kupcakes. Hello, Michelle.
Hi, how are you?
So I want to ask, how long have you been in business? Or
So
how did you get started, I should say?
Sure. So we've actually been baking our hearts out for the last 16 years. My son had a passion for baking. And I did too, and together we did a lot of baking from home.
Wow.
We ended up kind of talking through what it would feel like to open a bakery at some point. And we started working out of a commercial kitchen, building some clientele that way. After working out of a commercial kitchen, we saved enough to be able to open the space here in Elkridge. My son had a lot of medical issues, and during that time he was home from school. He helps basically create most of all of the recipes that we have here at Kupcakes and Company today. So it's definitely a family business to open this unique bakery and sell so many different delicious baked goods.
Yeah, so Michelle, why did you choose Howard County?
My family, my husband and my twins actually have lived here for over 30 years. We knew that we wanted to open our business close to home and to be able to have the community surrounding us where we lived. I also was a Howard County teacher for a lot of years.
Oh, excellent.
A lot of students and parents that had remembered us.
And you said your husband went to school at Oakland Mills, graduated around the same time I did. So
correct.
Yeah.
He grew up here, and so we just felt like this would be the perfect spot to open a beautiful little bakery.
There you go. So Michelle, what is your most, most popular product?
So we bake around 10,000 cupcakes a week. So I would say that's our most popular, but we also bake beautiful custom cakes for weddings and special events. And we make delicious cookies and brownies and blondies.
I'm going to pan over here because you have quite a variety just sitting out here of some of the other items you do offer. Quite a lot. Even gummies and other things that people can do. I guess that's for doing their own home baking stuff?
Sure.
Okay.
So we pride ourselves on baking everything from scratch, and all of our recipes are very well tested before we bring them out to the public.
So lastly, what would you like the local residents to know?
We are more than just your average local baker. We work very hard to pay it forward to the community and our surrounding areas. An event that we do every year called Cupcakes with Santa, and we raise money for that event. 100% goes back. We've donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to Howard County General Hospital. And most recently, we've been donating to the Allman Cancer Foundation. We've turned our passion into a purpose, and we really do love what we do here.
Well, this sounds wonderful, and if you look behind me, you can see the symbol, Kupcakes and Company, K-U-P, spelling the first three letters of their last name. So, again, thank you, Michelle, for a wonderful interview, and hopefully we will promote you to the best we can to the Howard County community.
Awesome.